everyone, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you what I got in my Boxycharm. So Boxycharm is a $21 monthly makeup subscription, and they send you around 4 to 5 full-size makeup products. So this is barely my second box. So I did do another box of the items, but this time I wanted to show you again what I got, and we'll see what we got. So when you first open the box, you get a little card, some coupons, and the products in there like this. So the first product I got is the Needles No More Baggage by Dr. Brandon. So it looks like this. And it is a eye depuffing gel, and it's a full-size product. Okay, the next product I have is Cella, and this is a eyebrow cream. So there's a brush right there, and one side, and and then there's like the little product right there. So you just dip the brush and you do your brows. I actually have a brow gel in this brand, and I really like it. So there's that. Next we have from Wander Beauty. This is Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. So it looks like that. Upside down. So that's it right there. And the wand is curled right there, so that's exciting. I love mascara because sometimes I do eyeshadow, but for the majority of the time it's just mascara. All right, the next product I have is Note. It is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. So this is the box. Let's take a look. And then this color is 05 Desert Rose. So this is the packaging, and it pops open like that. So it looks like a peachy color. Oh, and then underneath it, there's a little brush. I probably will never use a brush, but I'll keep that in there in case I need it. So that's the color. That's a really pretty color, and then a mirror with the impact. Okay, and the last product I have, and it comes in a bubble wrap. It is from Pro Crown. I've gotten some of their brushes from this brand, but I don't think I have any of its product. Okay, so the palette looks like this. And, ooh, those are pretty. So those are the colors. So I can tell you right now, this is actually a palette that I would use way more than I would use for the last month. Last month there were bright colors, and honestly I just been using only like 1 or 2 of those colors. They're just too, for me, they're just way out there. I mean, they're great for summer, under the eye kind of thing for me. But for like every day, I would say this one is the one that's gonna be for every day. Well, let me check the pigmentation. Okay, not bad. And then I'll do a little swatch for you guys at the end of the colors, but they're really nice. I think this one's a little patchy, but I know they say the darker colors are always a little bit harder to get good pigmentation. So yeah, that is everything I got for this month Boxycharm. And I'm gonna let you know right now, I actually like this box way more than I did the last box, because this is something I would use more on a daily. Mascara, the blush, everything. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.